Hello friends, good afternoon to all. My name is Ritti Jaswal and I am here with another topic named lean manufacturing. So let's start the topic. Lean manufacturing is a systematic way to eliminate wastage, or we can say that non-value added activities, and maximize the value added activities. The term lean manufacturing refers to the application of lean practice, principles, and tools to the development and manufacture of physical products. There are different tools for the lean manufacturing. There are different principles for the lean manufacturing, which I will discuss further. Many manufacturers are using lean manufacturing principles to eliminate wastage, to cut cost, to proper utilization of resources, to reduce time to the market in fast paced, or to cut wastage, to cut non value added activities, and many more. For many peoples, the phrase lean manufacturing is synonymous with removing wastage. And eliminate wastage is certainly a key element for lean practice. But actually, the ultimate goal for the lean manufacturing is not simply to reduce the wastage, it's to sustainably deliver the value to the customer. Value means value means what? Value means for which our customer are willing to pay. There are two types of activities. First is value added activities and second is non value added activities. इन सिंपल टर्म्स वैल्यू एडेड एक्टिविटीज वो एक्टिविटीज होती हैं जिनके लिए हमारा कस्टमर हमें पे कर रहा है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को पे कर रहा है. नॉन वैल्यू एडेड एक्टिविटीज वो एक्टिविटीज होती हैं जो सिर्फ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को उसकी कॉस्ट पड़ रही है, टाइम कंज्यूम हो रहा है, बट वो हमारे प्रोडक्ट के लिए, हमारी सर्विसेज के लिए कोई वैल्यू प्रोवाइड नहीं कर रही. कस्टमर सिर्फ हमें पे करता है सिर्फ वैल्यू एडेड एक्टिविटीज के लिए. So, to achieve that goal, lean manufacturing defines the waste as anything that does not add a value to the customer, as I previously told. This can be the process, activities, products, or services, or anything that requires an investment of time, money, resources, and talents that does not create value to the customer is waste. Now friends, there are 5 fundamental principles of lean manufacturing. First is identifying value. Second is identifying and create value stream. Third is making value flow. Fourth is pull production, and fifth is seek performance. First is identifying value. Value means, I previously told, value means value is something that the customer specifically wants to pay for. Value can be defined by ultimate customers. Second principle is identifying and create value stream. A value stream is the activity currently required to bring a product from raw material into the arms of customer. Third principle is making value flow, means to create a smooth flow. Fourth is pull production, the right amount, pull at right time, no more, no less. And last is seek performance, to eliminate of all waste in the value stream. So these are the 5 basic fundamental principles of lean manufacturing. There are different tools for the lean manufacturing. So friends, this is all about today's topic. For more topic, please subscribe my channel and share my channel. Thanks to all.